Why waiting on God was worth everything. Maria sat on her bed and looked out the window. Rain fell from the gray sky. The small drops moved slowly down the glass. She felt tired. Not tired in her body, tired in her heart. For 3 years, Maria prayed for the same thing. Every day she asked God for help. Every day she waited. And every day it seemed like nothing changed. "God, do you hear me?" she whispered. The room was quiet. No answer came. Maria was 28 years old. She lived in a small town with her mother. She worked in a little bakery near her house. She was kind. She worked hard. She helped other people. But inside, she carried a heavy sadness. Years before, Maria had a dream. She wanted to become a teacher. She loved children. She loved books. She loved helping people learn. But life did not go as she planned. Her father became very sick. Medical bills became expensive. Maria stopped school and started working full-time.
She wanted to help her family. At first, she thought it would only be for a short time. But months became years. Her father passed away. The family was heartbroken. After that, Maria tried many times to return to school. Each time, something happened. There was never enough money. There was never enough time. The door always seemed closed. Still, she prayed, "God, please show me the way." But the answer did not come. One morning, Maria arrived at the bakery before sunrise. The streets were quiet. The air was cold. As she opened the door, her boss smiled. "Good morning, Maria." "Good morning," she replied. The day was busy. Many customers came. Many customers left. Near lunchtime, an older woman entered the bakery. She looked worried. Her hands shook slightly. Maria greeted her with a warm smile. "How are you today?" The woman sighed. "Not very well." Maria listened. The woman explained that she felt lonely. Her husband had died the year before. Now she lived alone. She had nobody to talk to. Maria stood with her for a few minutes. She listened carefully. She spoke gently. Before leaving, the woman smiled. A real smile. "Thank you," she said. "I feel better now." Maria felt something warm inside her heart. That evening, she thought about the woman. She realized something important. Many people who came to the bakery needed more than bread. They needed kindness. They needed hope. They needed someone to listen. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Maria continued helping people. She listened to their stories. She encouraged them. She prayed for them. Soon, many people knew her name, not because she sold bread, because she cared. One Sunday after church, her pastor spoke to her. "Maria, have you ever thought about working with children here at church?" Maria's eyes widened. "Me?" "Yes," he said. "The children love you." Maria agreed to help. Every Saturday, she taught simple lessons. She read stories. She sang songs. She played games. The children laughed and smiled. For the first time in years, Maria felt alive. One night, she sat alone and prayed. God, I still do not understand your plan, but thank you for today. The words felt different. Before, she prayed with frustration. Now, she prayed with trust. She still wanted to become a teacher, but she was beginning to understand something. God was teaching her while she waited. The waiting was not empty. The waiting had purpose. A year later, something unexpected happened. A local school started a community program. The program helped adults finish their education. Students could study part-time while working. The cost was much lower than normal school. Maria could hardly believe it. She filled out the forms immediately. A few weeks later, she received a letter. Her hands trembled as she opened it. She read the first line. "Congratulations! You have been accepted." Tears filled her eyes. She looked toward the sky. Thank you, God. But the journey was not easy. Maria worked during the day. She studied at night. Many evenings she felt exhausted. Sometimes she wanted to quit. Sometimes she doubted herself. One difficult night, she stared at her books. Nothing made sense. She felt overwhelmed. She lowered her head and prayed. God, please help me continue. A quiet peace filled her heart. The problems did not disappear. The work was still hard, but she felt stronger. Day after day, she continued. Step by step, she moved forward. Years passed. Finally, graduation day arrived. Maria stood with the other students. She held her certificate tightly. Her mother sat in the audience. Tears ran down her face. She was proud, very proud. Maria remembered all the years of waiting, all the prayers, all the tears, all the moments when she almost gave up. And suddenly, she understood. If she had become a teacher years earlier, she would have missed many important lessons. She would not have learned patience. She would not have learned compassion. She would not have met so many people who changed her life. She would not have discovered how much she loved helping others. God had not forgotten her. God had been preparing her. A few months later, Maria received a job offer. It was from a local elementary school. She would teach young children. The dream she carried for so many years was finally becoming real. On her first day, she entered the classroom and looked around. Small desks, colorful books, bright smiles. The children greeted her happily. Maria smiled back. Her heart felt full. During a quiet moment, she remembered the rainy day years before. The day she asked, God, do you hear me? Now she knew the answer. Yes. God heard every prayer, even when she could not see the answer, even when nothing seemed to change. God was working. God was preparing the right time. That evening, Maria walked home under a beautiful sunset. The sky glowed with soft colors. She whispered a prayer. Thank you for every closed door. Thank you for every delay. Thank you for teaching me to trust you. She finally understood why waiting on God was worth everything. The waiting helped her grow. The waiting strengthened her faith. The waiting prepared her for blessings she could not see before. Sometimes we want answers right away. Sometimes we want God to move faster. But God sees what we cannot see. He knows the future. He knows the right path. When life feels slow, do not lose hope. When prayers seem unanswered, keep praying. When doors stay closed, keep trusting. God is still working. Your story is not finished. Your waiting has meaning. Your difficult season will not last forever.
Keep believing. Keep moving forward. Keep trusting God one day at a time. One day, you may look back and understand why the waiting was necessary. You may see that God was protecting you, teaching you, preparing you, just like Maria. The lesson is simple and powerful. Trust God even when you do not understand. Be patient even when the road is long. Hold on to hope even when life feels difficult. God's timing is good. His plan is good. And His love never leaves you. So tonight, rest with peace in your heart. Tomorrow is in God's hands. Keep praying. Keep believing. Keep trusting. Because sometimes the greatest blessings come after the longest wait. And when they arrive, you will see that waiting on God was worth everything.